Hello. In this problem we are asked to find the derivative of the function cosine of x to the power logarithm of x. This is a typical calculus 2 problem. We will carefully walk you through the solution, by applying the chain rule, and the logarithmic differentiation technique. Thank you for viewing this video. Please do not forget to like the video, and subscribe to our channel. It will help the growth of our channel. In this problem, we have to compute the derivative of cosine of x to the power logarithm of x. As a matter of fact, this function can be seen as an exponential function because it is obtained by raising cosine of x to the power logarithm of x. In this case, cosine of x is seen as the base and logarithm of x is the exponent. We will have to use the fact that the exponential and the logarithmic functions are inverse functions. Then apply the chain rule to find the derivative. In order to simplify this expression, we will use the properties of the exponential and logarithmic function. We know that the exponential of log of x is equal x, which is also equal to the logarithm of the exponential of x. In fact, we will also have to use the chain rule. Let us recall the chain rule. The derivative of the composition of two functions u of v of x is equal to v prime of x times u prime of v of x. In sum, we express f of x as exponential of logarithm of cosine of x to the power logarithm of x. Using the properties of the exponential and the logarithm, remark that f of x equals exponential of logarithm of x times logarithm of cosine of x. Actually, we are using the fact that the logarithmic of x to the power y is equal to y times the logarithm of x. Now, we can take the derivative of both sides and use the chain rule. It comes that, using the chain rule, the derivative of f is equal to the derivative of the product logarithm of x, times logarithm of cosine of x, times exponential of the product logarithm of x, times the logarithm of cosine of x. As a matter of fact, in order to compute the derivative of the product logarithm of x, times logarithm of cosine of x, we need to use the product rule. Let us recall the product rule. The derivative of the product of two functions u of x times v of x is equal to u prime of x times v of x plus u of x times v prime of x. In fact, in order to find the derivative of the quantity logarithm of x times logarithm of cosine of x, we need to use the product rule. In this case, the derivative is logarithm of x times the fraction minus 1 times sine of x over cosine of x plus 1 over x times logarithm of cosine of x. In sum, f prime of x is equal to the quantity logarithm of x times the fraction minus 1 times sine of x over cosine of x plus 1 over x times logarithm of cosine of x times the exponential of logarithm of x times the logarithm of cosine of x. This final expression can also be given as follows: f prime of x is equal to the quantity logarithm of x times the fraction minus 1 times sine of x over cosine of x plus 1 over x times logarithm of cosine of x times cosine of x to the power logarithm of x. Thank you for viewing this video. Please subscribe to our channel. We have an extensive collection of calculus-related videos covering limits, derivatives, integration, and many other calculus topics.